Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and let's quickly cover sand. But before sand, let me show you something what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin broke this resistance. It created this ascending triangle and broke out. And we can see we had a good recovery in the market as soon as Bitcoin broke out this level. And then now it created a ascending triangle. It's trying to go to the upside. Now it's trying to reach this area over here, 52,373. Okay. Now if it gets there and just breaks this level, we can go further up. Okay. If it gets rejected, we will come down and retest this area over here. Now let me show you that in the daily really quick. So in the daily, you can see that where the 20 moving averages is further away. So chances are we might just try to get to that 20 moving average. Okay, now let's cover sand. So sand was it had a very good recovery. I told you that it had this support for itself, $4.87. I gave you that yesterday. It was going to play in this pink box and this resistance line that it had. Okay, you can see that it has been, just rejecting to break it. Okay, you can see we came to the $5 and about 70 cents. Okay, so that was a very good upside. I told you this was the support at $4.87. It came a little bit below, but it was a good support because we had this support line um, for sand. Okay, now if you go to the 15-minute chart and you can clearly see what sand did here. Okay, I can just lay it out for you really quick. Sand made this very beautiful inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, I will just draw it for you. Look at this beautiful pattern. As soon as this beautiful pattern was taking place, a lot of traders knew that it was time. This was the neckline. As soon as it breaks, it's going to move to the upside. And this is what it did. Okay, retest. Okay, and went to the upside. So this was a beautiful pattern. And whenever this pattern takes place, we know that the price is going to move towards the upside. Okay, now just be careful because it did hit this resistance line. Now it is creating something very similar. Look at this. So you can see this double bottom that it created, and it created this right over here. Check this out. You can see that pattern that it made. Okay, it made something like a higher low and like a descending triangle kind of shape. Okay, so the target was this, and you can see when it broke out, it reached right over there. Okay, now it's trying to move up. Okay, it's trying to move up and get back because Bitcoin is at the moment doing really good. So if we can just hold this line and just bounce and try to break this, that would be great. We can start moving to the upside. Okay, but let's go in the daily. Okay, I mean the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, like I told you, this is a very good support. Okay, and you can see sand is playing in this pattern. This pattern, if it just keeps on doing this, that's great because we want to break this to the upside. Okay, momentum and confidence in the market is very important. But if it does break, like I told you, the 4.87 level, it might come right over there. Okay, this is the second good support for sand right over there. Okay, but unless and until it's in this pattern, it's making like a falling wedge. So that's a bullish pattern, and we want to see sand break this, test this level at $6.02, then break it to the upside. If it breaks to the upside, this is your target. This is going to be the target if it breaks to the upside. $8.09. Okay, because it's a falling wedge and the upside target is always at the top of the wedge. Okay, so let's go in the daily. Now, excuse me, guys. Now in the daily time frame, you can see this movement. It goes up, makes this falling wedge, breaks up. The target was at the top of the wedge, so this was met over here, and it broke out even further to the upside. Made another falling wedge, went to the upside. It's creating another falling wedge, okay? Now, I mean, these are all bullish patterns, okay? Now, what you really want to see it do, if it does that, I mean, then it's really bullish, okay? You see this area? You want the price to break the 20 moving average. If it breaks the 20 moving average and goes up, let me just put it this way. If it closes a candle right over here, okay, at $5.80 or $5.70, then it's going above the 20 moving average, is breaking this resistance, and then you know that sand is moving towards the upside, okay? And that can happen if Bitcoin, like it's moving up. So this is a good thing. It's trying to move towards this target, okay? If Bitcoin is moving up, then once sand takes control, okay, then we know that sand is going towards the $8 and what was it? $8.09, okay? Maybe around there, that range. It can even go to, like a little bit further to its all-time high if it breaks that level. But yeah, guys, I told you yesterday that it was in this pattern, it was playing in, and overall things are looking good right now. And hopefully, it breaks this resistance and, breaks the 20 moving average at this level. Things are looking good for Sand. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. So hopefully then we can, just do live chats and all that. And like my videos and comment below if you have any questions. Okay, everything's looking good at the moment. Thank you so much.